Terry. Here's a way to do your summer camps. This is right when you log in. Called the dashboard. And what you do is just click Add New Page. And then in a new page, just give it like a title. I'm just going to call mine Test. And what I would do is I would open up one of the other pages that we've already done, like Village or something like that. And so what I've done is I've already opened up. No, I didn't. So I'll just go to Pages. Because what I would do is I would copy one of the other formats. So I'm going to go to the Village. When I copy, what I want to make sure that I do is that I'm on the HTML tab, which is the code, because I want to copy the code, not just this, because if I copy this, it might not look exactly how we want it to. So click HTML, and then it's going to be a bunch of this code, and so I'm just going to copy all of that, select all of it, and then I'm going to just paste it in my new page and make sure I'm on HTML. I'm going to paste it, and then I can go back to my visual and look at it. So for your summer classes, then I would just update all this information. And then what you want to do is make sure your parent, wherever you're wanting this page to go under, so this one would probably go under classes. So I would select that to make sure that this one goes, that summer classes go under that. And then what you can also do is tell it what order, like if you want it at the very top of classes 1 or where you want that at. That's where the order is and what you want to put there. So the next thing, once you fill out all that information, is actually giving people registration so they can register for it. And so this might take a little bit of work, but what you need to do first is go down to the event registration. I'm just going to open it in a new page, and then go to your events, and then just add events in here. And you don't have to really fill everything else out, but just give yourself, put all your information in here, and then the unique event identifier. That's the thing that you'll need to keep track of. So if you have a village class in the summer, make sure you know what your unique event identifier is, because that's what you're going to put in the code later. So just whatever that is. I think all the other ones were like numbers. That sort of thing. So once you have that, what you need to do is create, like we've created a page for every class. So here's like the Family Time Tuesday 10:15 page, and all it has in it, and what this page is, we'll open this up. This is the page that you link to so they can register. So every summer class that you have, you'll need to create one of these pages for. So if it's the Village 9 a.m., you'll need to create a Village 9 a.m. Page. And then the parent page for that is just event pages. And these pages you don't see on the front of your website at all. You don't see them here because I've hidden them. So you don't look at them, which they really don't need them. So on this page, here's this code. I'm in HTML. Whenever you create a new page for a registration page, just copy and paste that code, and then this is, I believe this is your unique event identifier, and you just put that in here. So this one was 10, so you just type in whatever yours was for that unique event, and they'll put it in there. And the other thing that you need to do then on your summer page, then right up here, it's called a permalink. It's just your link. You can highlight that, and so this is the Family Time, Tuesday 10:15 or whatever. I just copied that, and then what I would do is, this one doesn't have a link. What I would do, let me look for one that does. So like your Imagine That, I'm going to go to the Imagine That page. So right here, the Imagine That page, and it says enroll today, and then it gives the time and the day. So you would just type in the time and the date, and then you would highlight that, and then you go up to link. I don't want to mess with it, so I'm just going to do test. You would highlight that, then click this to create a link, and then paste that in there. then that's going to create that link that's going to go to that registration page. And then the other page that you need to post that link into is then our registration page, which this is the registration page. And so it's just saying current registration for spring. So you could just create a new one that said summer. And so on the registration page, you could just copy and paste. Copy this and then paste it and do summer. And then this is that same exact link. It's going to the page, that registration page. So it's actually going to, you can see it, it's going to this registration page. So hopefully this helps. I know it's a lot of things kind of linking back and forth, but hopefully this kind of helps out. If not, I'm more than willing. I can help you out, and we can get it figured out. So hope this helps.